Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be doing a review on the ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box for a ton of groovy links. Alright, let's drop down here and start doing our review. Alright, so let's go ahead and just unbox our product here, the ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer. Let's look at their box too. It's when it's packaged in. You've got their you probably Instagram there. You've got their website, their address. You've got a scan code on the box. You've got their hashtag, and also a little diagram of Team Rare, Team Medium, Team Well Done, with their Instagram name on there as well. So pretty cool. Nice packaging. I can appreciate that. Then you open up the box. Now the box has also got all the different features. The specs are right here. A nice picture of it with different features being listed. And again, the scan code on there. Alright, well you peel this off so you can get to your readout on that. You can keep that if you want to keep it from getting scratched up. Operation manual with everything you need to know in there. I've been through this about 4 or 5 times. You got a nice little magnet you can put on your refrigerator, your stove, or your barbecue out in your area where you're cooking or inside the house with all the different temps for the different proteins you plan on cooking. And also your ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer that we're going to discuss right now. Upon opening, this is ready to go right away. You just open it up and it turns on. It's ready to use immediately. You look at that wide range of motion that it has. It comes in very handy when you're, I know for one, taking pictures of it. You've got to have one hand free for the camera and one hand to hold the thermometer. The great thing about that too is while you're turning it, your display is also going to flip and you're going to be able to see your display no matter whatever angle you hold this at. You have a hold button right here that you can actually hit that while you're in the oven with something. You don't have to pull things out of the oven and then set them on top, get your thermometer, and then read out with your thermometer. You can leave it in there, put the hold button on, put it into your, say you're doing a roast, and then you close your door, go over to the counter, and you can hold the reading that you got inside the oven so you don't have to pull everything out of the oven to get a nice temperature on it. So that's another key advantage. You've got black background with white digital readout. That makes it really nice for when you're cooking or barbecuing at night. You can see that. It's large, which is nice, especially when you get older and your eyes are starting to go out. You can see that. It's nice to have that. You've got a magnet on this as well to hold it. Let me move this out of the way. And you can see right there, it is a pretty good magnet on there. So you can put that on your barbecue when it's not on. You can put this on your stove inside. You can put it on your refrigerator so it's always available, always handy. With that magnet too, you've got a little hole on there so you can hang it from any kind of clip you've got maybe on your barbecue or in your kitchen. So big nice clip hole there. You've got your magnet on there so it's ready to be fastened anywhere you want to keep it so you won't lose it or misplace it. It is waterproof. It comes with 2 AA batteries in a nice sealed compartment. You just take those screws out with a Phillips head, pull that off, replace those batteries. You get your readings in 2 to 3 seconds. You don't have to sit there and wait for your food. Like, let me see one of these old school ones that I've got here. You don't have to put this into the meat and you have to wait for this to climb up to what the temperature is. This gives you that readout as fast as you can get it in 2 to 3 seconds so you can get that critical point in your cooking. Same with the old digital old school ones that I've got. You're not waiting. This does the same thing. It'll sit there and climb to 165 or whatever, and this one goes directly to it. Your thermocoupler is right in the tip, so you just want to put that right into whatever you're cooking or reheating, and you just want to get that tip right in there. The thermocoupler is right there. It's not halfway up like some models where you've got to go into the food a lot. You just want to get that tip into, let's say, the fattest part of your steak or your chop or your fish or whatever you're cooking. You just want to get it to that far into there just to get the accurate readout for what you need. Some of the benefits of this product are it has a long battery life. It's certified for personal and professional use, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So if you want to check your temperatures of any kind of food you've got, you know that. I've got the great thing about this is, like I said earlier in the unboxing, is you got that little magnet that you can put on your wall or in your shop or in your barbecue area in your kitchen. It's got your steaks, chops, and roast, your chicken and turkey, fish and shellfish. It's got all the proper temps to get it up to. It's magnetized just like the ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer is. The great thing is that you can use this thermometer to measure the temperature of oven or grilled food, not only just barbecued food that you're doing outside. You can use it to check the temp on your reheated microwaved food or anything you're cooking on the stove. All right, well, that is my review of the ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer. Some of the features again are it's got an intelligent backlight, large display. It is ready to go upon opening the package. It's got the batteries already in there. It's got a magnet in it so it sticks to any kind of metal you want to put it on to keep it from getting lost. And also a hole right there where you can put a string or put it on a hanger on your barbecue. A high accuracy thermocoupler on the tip. You've got a hold button on there so you can accurately read out what's in your oven or on your barbecue or smoker without having to pull everything off. Long battery life, certified for personal and professional use, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. All right, well, that is my review of the ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 Thermometer. Awesome product. I hope this comes in a pocket size one day, just saying. But everything you need to know on how to purchase this is right down below in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.